26 Act 3 in Valorant, focused on low-end PCs, are 1. In-game settings, biggest FPS boost. Go to Settings, Video. Display mode, full screen, resolution 1280 by 720 or 1600 by 900 if stable. FPS limit, off, unlimited, or match refresh rate. Graphics quality, material quality, low. Texture quality, low. Detail quality, low. UI quality, low. Vignette off. VSync off. Anti-aliasing, none. Anisotropic filtering, 1x. Improved clarity off. Bloom off. Distortion off. Cast shadows off. This alone can give 30 to 60% FPS increase. Number 2, Windows Performance Boost, turn on High Performance Mode, Control Panel, Power Options, High Performance, disable background apps, Settings, Apps, Startup, disable everything unnecessary. 3, NVIDIA, AMD Settings, NVIDIA Control Panel, Power Management, prefer maximum performance, low latency mode, on Ultra, texture filtering, high performance. 4, clear lag and stutter, close Chrome Discord overlays, disable Xbox Game Bar, turn off recording features. 5, Valorant specific fix, go to Riot Client Settings, enable disable full screen optimization, run game as administrator. 6, network lag fix, optional but useful, use wired connection if possible, stop downloads while playing, restart router before gaming. Expected result. After applying everything, higher FPS, stable, less stutter, lower input delay, smoother gunfights. If you want, I can also give you a pro competitive settings crosshair sensitivity setup that streamers use for max performance.